have on the track.
It's alright, just get out of the car for me, okay? You're okay, I just need you to get out of the car, okay? Are you injured? Just step over here. Okay, just step over here. Belmar, just send me EMS for precautionary airbag deployment. I have fluids on the roadway as well if you could start fire. Just have a seat here, hon. Come here. What's your name?
Please click the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notifications.
Okay, just have a seat.
10-4.
Okay, alright, we'll get it taken care of, okay?
5-1's in here.
Are you okay?
5-4 to 5-5. We notify the transit, please, at the station here.
Received. Belmar, 1011 the tag. Bravo 73 Lincoln Zulu. Contact Bennett's, please. What's your name, hon?
Rosie.
Rosie? How much you had to drink tonight?
It's going out, 5-5.
I met up with my friends and I had 2 drinks with them.
Okay.
So bad.
Okay. What I say? Belmar, you can correct the location, 7th Railroad.
10-4.
My arm hurts. My mom's gonna be so sad.
Are you okay to walk?
Yeah.
I just want to get you out of whatever's moving out of your car, okay?
My mom's gonna be so sad.
We'll go back in, okay? Get parked there.
I wonder if transit will take it.
It would make sense.
Just let me know if you're going to be transporting. Thank you.
686 to Belmar.
We might be able to drive it off here, but I mean, it's pretty fucked up.
Can I have EMS respond to 16th and Rail closer to the south parking lot of Bar A for a head laceration?
No, I think it's a neutral. Nah, it's not. Yeah, transmission dropped. It says malfunction. Yeah.
Belmar, going to be correct. It's going to be the west of the track parking lot.
What's that?
They said train traffic is stopped.
Okay.
So, if we got anything coming from southbound,
155 transit confirmed the transit stop.
Received. Thank you. Yeah, I know. That train is getting closer.
Belmar 250.
Who's this guy?
16th and rail for headline. 16th and rail.
50?
Where the hell is he going? Is there another call going on?
It's a first aid call for the 16th rail.
Oh, okay.
Headlines, that's the fire department. I'm gonna see if I can drive a little bit.
You can try it. I think it's keeps saying malfunction. So I don't know if it's like a safety feature, it won't shift, but yeah, you're more than welcome to give it a whirl.
That's what I was gonna do. I was trying to get it. Looks like it.
You want to be advised, dispatch advises that train.
Yeah, see if you can move it.
Yeah, give it a try. Yeah. Have at it. Not okay, that's fine. You can have her step out.
I'm trying to tell you a story, but I can't.
All right, Rosemary, we're going to go right over here, okay? Just follow me this way. Just watch your step, all right? Just come this way. Just watch your step. We're going to go across the street over here, okay? Just hold on 1 second. Let's make sure there's no cars coming. All right, we're going to have a seat over here for the time being, all right? Just sit and I just want you to sit and calm down for a few minutes, okay?
I haven't heard Belmar.
Yeah, can you just tell? Yeah, never mind. There we go. I've seen it. Something. All right, Rosemary, can you just stand up for me? We're just going to walk over here, okay? Just watch your step. Just walk over this way.
Belmar 55.
Good. Just stay right here, okay?
Sorry, it was busy. You said you needed that?
Yeah, affirmative. If you could send Bennett's, we're going to have 1 impound for John's Law. All right, Rosemary, I got to put you through some field sobriety tests, okay? Do you have any issues with your eyes or anything like that?
Yeah, I wear glasses.
You wear glasses and contacts? Okay. All right. What you're going to do is you're going to turn and you're going to face me this way, okay? Just turn. You're going to turn and face me this way, okay? You're going to stay right there. All right. Do you see the tip of my pen? All right. I want you to follow with your eyes. Don't move your head, okay? Do you understand that? Okay. All right, just keep following with your eyes, okay? All the way out here, okay? All the way out.
I don't know what the point is. My parents are already coming.
That's okay. I need to do these tests, okay? Just keep following with your eyes. Don't move your head, okay? Oh, don't fall. Don't fall. You okay? All right. Hold on. I just don't want you to fall. All right. You sure you're okay? All right. You have any injuries to your legs or back or anything like that?
No, I'm bleeding, but it's fine, I guess.
Do you want to go to the hospital?
No, I'm going to go to the hospital for this.
I'm just asking you the question.
You're right.
I'm just asking.
No.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. The next test I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate it, and just you watch me, okay? want to do these tests?
Do you? Okay.
I'm asking you. I'm giving you the option.
It's okay. What's the point?
Because I'm trying to determine your level of intoxication.
You have to go through your protocol.
That's correct.
Just to be like, okay, I went through my protocol.
I'm trying to determine your level of intoxication. If you don't wish to take these tests, you don't have to. We can just skip this and go right to headquarters.
No, I mean, we're already here. My airbags are already out of my car. What's the fucking point?
I understand that.
What's the point?
The point
What's
is,
the point?
I'm trying to give you the opportunity to tell me how intoxicated you are, okay? Without doing these tests, I'm not going to be able to know. All right, so would you like to continue these tests? Okay.
Yeah.
The next test I'm going to ask you to do, I'm going to put you in the starting position, okay? I want you to imagine a straight line, okay? I want you to put your left foot down on that straight line. Go ahead and do that. I want you to put your right foot directly in front of your left foot, touching heel to toe. Okay? Why don't you go ahead and do that? Left foot directly in front of your right foot, touching heel to toe like this. Heel to toe, hon. Nope, hold on. I didn't tell you to start the test yet. I was just trying to put you in the starting position, okay? You're going to put your left foot down on the straight line, and you're going to put your right foot down directly in front of your left foot, touching heel to toe. All right, so why don't you go ahead and do that?
Doesn't matter.
Okay. You turn around and put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest for DUI.
Seriously?
Yes, ma'am. You've had a little too much to drink today. Do you have anything in your pockets or anything like that?
I have a shooter in here.
In here? Okay.
Yep.
How is it in the front pocket?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, I don't see the shooter in there, but I'll get a female officer to check you, okay? We're gonna walk this way, okay?
This is so Monmouth County.
I got it. Good. Female 41 450. We're gonna go right this way.
You need a search warrant?
Oh yeah, that'd be great. Yeah, please. Watch your step.
Thanks. I'm sure you really care.
I'm sorry you feel that way.
You need someone to run the box?
No, I got it. You want to just pat her down real quick before I put her in the car?
Yep.
All right, this female officer here is just going to pat you down, okay?
Do you need me to come back to the...
Yeah, please, if you don't mind.
You want me to take everything out?
Yeah, that'd be great. There was an open high noon in the car. What was it? I said there was an open high noon in the car. If you could just do a search in there for intoxicants. Nah, we should be good. Thanks, bro.
I'm gonna go take a look at the damage. It's bad enough to
Her car? It's probably drivable. So yeah, but yeah, depending on what the damage is. But they were able to drive it off. So.
Did she have anything in her front pocket? Sorry, they're big.
No, I don't think she had anything in there. Yeah.
I think that was it.
She should be good.
You need in her front pocket? No, check anyway.
Registration, insurance, all the fun stuff.
Got it.
So it's not drivable.
Not drivable? Okay, you sent it to Bennett. Yeah.
It doesn't matter for you. I know it doesn't.
Just put it. Yeah, you can put it in the. Just put it in the side bin over here. Yeah, you're gonna take it to the yard. Out of the car? No, I got the registered insurance.
Enjoy. I'm sure it was worth it.
Thank you. If you just get, there's a number on there or something just for my report? If you can get that. Thank you.
Yep. Come here, Brad, with you guys, or you want me to?
Sorry, we got it back to their.
Yeah, you want me to.
I mean, you did pretty thorough here, but if you don't mind coming back, just check it one more time.
The call would be
$55 coming 10-3 female 41.
All the space in the world. All right, you're good.
Thank you.
Rob.
Open, Sally. She's around the passenger. Could you just hang with her 1 second on the passenger side? All right, can you step out for me? No. It's right this way, okay? Gonna go right through this big garage door here, okay?
An available unit go to 200 North Boulevard for a lockout. It's going to be a white GMC van.
Right this way.
169.
Turn left. And we're gonna turn right. Just walk straight in and have a seat, okay?
Pick up that lockout.
Finish it up for you.
Thank you.
Need anything else?
No, should be good. If you could just get me my case number and time of arrest. Is this it?
No, but I'll do that.
Yeah, case number and time of arrest, all that stuff. All right, I'm gonna take your handcuffs off, Rosemary. Okay? Okay. Yep, that works. This officer's just going to do a little bit more of a thorough pat down on you, okay?
have rubber gloves.
Yep, right up here.
What size you need?
What's your name again?
Rosemary?
Rosemary? I'm glad it's that intimate. Alright. It'll be fine. It doesn't matter.
We got the tow on the way.
Oops, sorry about that. Wrong way.
That's going to the yard.
Female transit officer's just going to search her real quick.
Can you please stand up?
And I'm going to run back out to the other guys.
Wait, I had a purse. Oh,
Oh, they probably took that one. Can you take your shoes off?
Can you just get her purse and like her phone out of the car?
Yeah, let me,
You want to just see if Burke can do that real quick?
Yeah, as long
that's
as
all
the cops are ankle, right?
You got your radio down?
As long as the
Someone
cops
flashed
aren't
your
hurt,
radio.
not hurt.
Oh, well,
51-68. Can you get
Yeah,
me
I'm
to
sure.
my
take
purse?
your socks off. Turn them inside out.
You said just what? Purse?
Just purse and cell phone.
Okay.
You can put them back on.
Out there. Sick. I saw
You
you
put them back on.
That was my son, is it? No.
Myself, Mary, and
You let them have their shoes?
Yeah, she can have them for the time being. Yep.
Thank you for the time being. Appreciate that, brother.
Hey, buddy. Can you do me a favor and the young lady's car is her purse and cell phone? Can you just make sure that that's out of it before it goes to the defendant's yard?
Very nice.
I feel weird.
Thank you very much.
Oh, no, I'm not lying.
Just to be nice to me. But thank you anyway. It doesn't matter for either of us, right? Either way, it doesn't matter. Fuck me, and fuck my car, and fuck my life.
It's not the end. You'll get through
Right.
it. You will.
It doesn't
I promise you.
It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Nothing does. I just was about to call my mom, but I guess I guess I'll wait till I'm allowed to.
Yeah, they gotta do their thing and then...
Right. They gotta wait till they like beat everybody up.
No, that's not true. Do you need anything else, Sarge?
No, I appreciate your help.
Okay.
Thank you.
Right, yeah. Well, I'll be next door if you need anything.
All right, cool. Thank you. All right, Rosemary, I have to read you this form, okay? It's long, so just bear with me, okay? You've been arrested for driving while intoxicated, New Jersey Statute 39450. The law requires you to submit samples of your breath for the purpose of testing to determine alcohol content. A record of the taking of the breath samples, including the test results, will be made. Upon your request, a copy of that record will be made available to you. After you have provided samples of your breath for testing, you have the right at your own expense to have a person or physician of your own selection take independent samples of your breath, blood, or urine for independent testing. If you refuse to provide samples of your breath, you will be issued a separate summons for the refusal. A court may find you guilty of both refusal and driving while intoxicated. If a court finds you guilty of the refusal, you will be subject to various penalties, including license revocation of up to 20 years, a fine of up to $2,000, installation of an ignition interlock, and referral to an intoxicated driver resource center. These penalties may be in addition to penalties imposed by the court for any other offense of which you are found guilty. You have no legal right to have an attorney, physician, or anyone else present for the purpose of taking the breath samples. You have no legal right to refuse to give or delay giving samples of your breath. Any response from you that is ambiguous or conditional in any respect to my request that you provide breath samples will be treated as a refusal to submit to breath testing. Even if you agree to take the test but then do not follow my instructions, do not properly perform the test, or do not provide sufficient breath samples, I will charge you with refusal to submit to breath testing. I repeat, the law requires you to submit samples of your breath for testing. Will you submit the samples of your breath?
Okay, so you said if I say no, that's the same thing as doing your breath test. And someone already...
Your answer is not acceptable. The law requires that you submit samples of your breath for breath testing. If you do not answer or answer with anything other than yes, I will charge you with refusal. Now I ask you again, will you submit samples of your breath?
You're a fucking retard.
Okay.
I guess you're...
Take your shoes off. Take your shoes off, take your nose rings off.
I
Earrings, everything has to
can't
come
take
off.
my nose rings off.
They all have to come off.
I can't take my nose rings off. I can do a breath sample, but I cannot take my fucking nose rings off.
Nope, we're past that point.
Oh, what? You were fucking the coolest kid in gym class in high school?
Can your earrings come off?
No.
Rings?
No.
The rings come off.
I cannot take my rings off. I can't take my nose rings off.
Hold on, listen to me, listen to me. The rings come off, the earrings come off, and the nose rings come off, okay? If you can't take something off, I understand, but the ring can come off. I know the ring can come off. It's a ring. Can you please take your ring off your finger? You're going to get it back, but it's got to come off.
I cannot take this off. I don't know what you want me to do. Like,
How'd you get it on?
I don't know, 10 years ago?
Okay, well, I don't know that. How am I supposed to know that?
Well, you're acting like a fucking dickhead, like...
I've been nothing but nice to you.
Really?
Okay, I'm sorry you don't feel that way. Can you please try to take your ring off?
I'm trying. Do you think I'm not trying at all? Like, I'm trying. There you go. There you go. I spit on it. Have my saliva, brother.
Your earrings come out? What about your nose? Do your nose rings come out or no?
No.
They don't come out?
Not at all.
Okay, do you have any other piercings or any jewelry anywhere?
No.
Okay. Come right this way. Turn left. And turn left. Nope, 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 not this way. This way. Turn left. This way, yep. Keep walking straight.
Here?
Yep, turn right. Do you have somebody we can call to come get you?
What can I get my fucking call, bro?
I'm asking if you have somebody...
What have I done?
You're under arrest for driving under the influence, okay? Do you have somebody you can call to come get you?
What can I get some
M4.